Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a quick morning Pilates wake up of the whole body, suitable for all levels. Let's start standing at the back of the mat, feet hip width, softened knees, hips stacked over knees and shoulders stacked over hips. Slightly tuck the tailbone under to engage the abdominal muscles. Breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. Shoulders away from the ears, long neck. Broaden the collarbones and ground in for today's quick practice. Blink open the eyes and let's start with roll downs. Inhale at the top, exhale through the mouth to roll down vertebrae by vertebrae. Inhale at the bottom, knees soft, and exhale to come back up standing the same way that you came down. Inhale at the top, exhale to peel back down off your imaginary wall, link by link. Inhale at the bottom, relax your upper body totally, and exhale to peel back up your imaginary wall. Twice more, just like this, in your own time. Beautiful. This is your last repetition, and we will stay at the bottom this time, grabbing opposite elbows and taking a gentle stretch for the hamstrings. Again, knees can be nice and soft, don't lock them out, extending through the spine. Walk the hands forward and bring the knees down, coming into tabletop position. Let's take cat stretch, inhaling in a neutral spine and exhaling to round the spine like a cat. Inhale to tabletop, exhale to round and look towards your belly button. Twice more, just like this, in your own time. Now let's move into our alternate bird dog. Extend left leg and right arm. Exhale, lift them simultaneously in line with shoulder and hip and lower through center. Take it to the other side. Throughout these repetitions, the hip points should stay facing down and evenly balanced. Imagine your favorite drink is balancing on your lower back, and that should help to avoid arching the low back too much. Move slowly and with grace and poise with the breath. Bring both hands back down to the mat. Bend and lift the left knee, and let's take 4 outward circles of the knee, mobilizing into the hip joint. Now let's reverse that circle. Coming into fire hydrants, lift the knee outwards from the hip and back in. Exhale to lift, inhale back in. Try to avoid shifting your whole body with this movement. Stay focused on keeping the movement isolated. Extend the leg out from the hip, coming into a gate pose. Lift the body up and bring the hands behind the head. Let's get into the obliques. Exhale for a small side bend to the right. Inhale back to center. Bring belly to spine with each exhale. Engage the glutes to keep the hips stable. This movement shouldn't cause your legs and hips to move with Okay, last rep here. And now stay leaning away. Exhale, rotate the chest to the ground, and inhale, rotate it to the sky. Again, focus on keeping your hips still as you rotate through the torso. Shoulders away from the ears and length down both sides of the waist. Now bring the right hand down into a modified side plank with the top hand lifted to the sky. Lift and lower the left leg. Exhale to lift, inhale to lower. Lift in line with the hip, and as you lower, gently tap the toes without weight, engaging through the glutes. Extend the lifted arm over the ear to create a long line and lift the left leg. Exhale, crunch knee to elbow. Inhale to extend. 5 more reps just like this. 4, 3, 2, 1. Gorgeous. Let's finish with small leg circles going forward first. Lengthen through the leg, keep hips and shoulders stacked. Reverse your circle back. Beautiful job. Take a side body stretch over towards the other side. Enjoying that lovely stretch through the obliques. And bring the left foot through between the hands. Let's take a low lunge stretch for your right hip flexor. Maybe bringing the hands to the tops of the thigh, rolling the shoulders away from the ears. Now hinge back and straighten the left leg for half splits, a gorgeous hamstring stretch. Let's meet in downward facing dog. Pedal out the legs, warming up through the feet, ankles, and hamstrings, pushing the ground away. Gorgeous job. Bring the knees down and let's get to the other side. So bend and lift the right knee and let's take 4 outward circles of the knee, again mobilizing into the hip joint. What we do on one side, we have to do on the other. And reverse your circle. Coming into your fire hydrants again, lift the knee, exhale, inhale, bring the knee back in. Nice job. Extend the leg out from the hip, coming into a gate pose, lift the body up, bring the hands behind the head. Let's get back into these obliques. Take your side bend and back through center, moving away from the legs and then back into the center line. 6 more just like this. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Remember, you're staying here and finding those rotations. So exhale down and inhale to rotate the chest to the sky. Small movements here that make sure that the lower body stays still. Last repetition here. Bring the left hand down into a modified side plank with the top hand lifted to the sky. Lift and lower the right leg. Exhale to lift and inhale to lower. 7 more repetitions here. Extend the lifted arm over the ear to create a long line. Lift the right leg. Exhale to crunch knee to elbow. Inhale to extend. Keep going. We're nearly at the end of our morning practice. I know that you already feel so much more energized. Let's finish with those small leg circles, going forward first, keeping the torso still, belly to spine, and then reverse that circle. Gorgeous job. Come up into your gate pose and take your side body reach over towards the other side, stretching through the oblique. Bring the hands down, come back into your tabletop position, right foot through between the hands this time, coming into your low lunge for a couple of breaths. Knee and ankle are stacked. And then straighten that front leg, flex the foot coming into your hamstring stretch. Nice job. I'll meet you back in downward facing dog. Again, pushing the ground away, stretching through the hamstrings, hopefully feeling a little warmer and looser now after this 10-minute practice. Walk the hands in towards the feet, bend the knees generously and roll up through the spine, vertebrae by vertebrae, to a standing position. You made it. I hope you have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next practice.